Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 17th of June 2023. So as expected, US market didn't continue rebound yesterday. Okay, it actually dropped a little bit. Okay, first is Friday. Secondly, right, US market, right, has been on has been rebounding, has been going up for quite some time, So when you look at the chart, right, okay, it's heading to resistance, heading to resistance. S&P lah, Nasdaq lah, Dow Jones it's all heading to the resistance area, right? So there's possibility even this push, right, is manipulation purely manipulation by this big institution okay, they want to the AI stock, right, they want to hit and run one more push up, then they're going to sell, everybody jump in okay, everybody continue to jump in then they will start to offload There's quite a possibility That's why you see Malaysia also didn't follow, right? Malaysia, yes, end of the day in the evening it up a bit in the evening it up a bit, but you see the tech stock never follow, right? By right, the net tech stock our local tech stock should follow, right, but they didn't follow, right? So there is, I think US is a lot of manipulation, especially with this AI okay, a lot of manipulation, so it's very dangerous, the market. And you see Bitcoin also didn't follow. Of course Bitcoin, we got this problem with Binance and Coinbase, right? Okay, but I mean, if the market is so strong in US, right, Bitcoin normally will follow because there's other exchanges not only by Binance and Coinbase there's other exchanges. Of course, three of them now in problem big one FTX. The biggest is not FTX, biggest Binance, then FTX, then Coinbase, right? So the biggest one are now in trouble Of course, the one already fallen, FTX. So, but okay, if the market is so strong, I think at least Bitcoin will rebound a little bit So it's just dangerous Never mind, we go through the global market and see how actually the market, how is actually, what is the market doing now Okay, quick introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, remember, right, what Jerome Powell said, right? Jerome Powell actually brought in a hawkish sentiment. Hawkish sentiments means that they are going to continue to increase rate, increase the interest rate. So with the hawkish sentiment, right, the market cannot still continue to be so strong and he already said likely there will be this rate hike, likely, very likely, and he said all the Fed committee members also agreed there will be a rate hike, another rate hike, right, another 1 to 2 rate hike, and they will not reduce rate by end of the year. So it's very, very aggressive, but market still going up. This one really crazy. Now you see, they could be setting a trap. They are keep on pumping the AI. Everybody jump in the AI, jump. Okay, when this big institution make enough already, they will throw. Then everybody will kena Everybody will kena. Everybody will be the one to pick up all their selling. Okay, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, make sure press the like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and share this with your friend. And if you want to open account, trading account for Malaysia, okay, you want to play Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US, you can try this CGS-CIMB, one of the top platform in Malaysia. First, it's legal, okay, approved by Security Commission SC, and it can play Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, US stock. Also one of the lowest brokerage rate. Terms and conditions apply, of course. And a lot of promotion. You just check out. There's a form at the bottom here. You fill in the form. No need to go anywhere. My friend, this CGS-CIMB reminder will call you up and open an account online with you. Okay, so very simple only. So and the platform is very user friendly. Okay, do try CGS-CIMB. Okay, now what we want to do, check out the Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia first. Look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we want to see 1 week, want to see long term. Okay, so look at KLCI. Okay, I told you KLCI. Okay, there's still a chance to rebound. You see there's a bullish, it's not a bullish engulfing, but it's still a bullish candle. We got a tail bar. Okay, so I told you market is supporting, by hook, by crook, they're supporting this 1373. Alright, you see very simple. Okay, one time last week, previous week, okay, drop below 1373, push back up. Okay, became a tail bar. Okay, a hammer, something like a hammer, right? So this week also, okay, the price did drop below. Okay, again, then they push it up. Now push it up some more. Okay, so slowly they are trying to reverse the course. So from long term you can see reverse the direction. Reverse the slowly they are trying to reverse the direction up. Okay, so you can see very clear here. Look at the small cap, mid cap. Mid cap is just sideways. You can see sideways, up and down, but it's not. There's no breakthrough yet. Small cap also, small gain. Okay, but you got rejection at 15,200. So it's slightly coming down. So it looks like either sideways. We have to wait. We have to wait a bit. No momentum. The small cap is the one that has no momentum. Okay. So let's check out the sector. Construction. Okay, construction is still on the sideways. It's still on the sideways. So not negative, not positive. Also, it's just on the sideways run. Look at consumer. Consumer still on the downtrend, but there is a small rebound. Okay, but mid of the year you don't expect consumer to do so strong. Energy also on a downtrend. Okay, possible a small rebound due to maybe a small surge of the oil price, but because OPEC keep on cutting, OPEC and Saudi keep on cutting the oil price production. So there is a possible rebound, but it's still on a downtrend. Finance, nothing good about finance. Okay, because the crash of the market. Okay, the first sector that crashed in the global, these rate hike, US, Europe, all these is bank, so you don't expect bank to do so well. So healthcare is not KO yet. Healthcare might still rebound from 1720, 1772, this area. There is still possible a rebound. So it's not KO yet. Okay, even though this bad report came out from this Top Glove, so there's potential, but if it drop below, it's still potential rebound from this bottom here. Okay, means there is still a good support area here. Okay, a good support area here and here. Okay, here. Okay, 1,700, around 1,700, this area, there's still one support, so it's not KO yet. Because it is still on an uptrend trajectory. Okay, it's still on the uptrend. Of course, in the uptrend, we don't go up all the time, right? It go in wave. So this could be just a short-term drop before it goes up, continue in the long term. Industry, I told you, industry, there should be a rebound towards this 166 to test this. Because normally after price, right? Okay. After price broke the support, normally it will come retest. Okay, then probably it go down again. Okay, the latest news, New Zealand also dropped into recession, right? So now you got New Zealand, Singapore technical recession. The government haven't announced, but technically already, US really technical recession happened already last time, but haven't really. The government haven't announced. Okay, it means there's a body in US that have the power to announce recession. Not everybody can announce, right? Let's say you and me, so there is a body there. So everybody follow that body, let's say a department, like a ministry or something like that, so to announce a recession. Okay, so when they now announce recession, it should be, because they are using this data, right? All this data normally is lagging. Means already happened, then only they will announce. So a lot of time when they announce the time, the recession already started quite some time already, because they want to confirm. They can't simply just announce, right? So we don't know okay, so probably US go also already recession. Okay. Plantation flat, nothing to do, nothing to talk about. Property, okay, property actually dropped outside this trend line already, which is not so good which is not so good, but it's still looking at long term. I think it's still going sideways not too bad yet not too bad. It's still not too bad. Yeah, it's at here support resistance area. Okay, 685 so it's not KO yet There's still a chance for it to rebound. Maybe we'll come back to test this neckline this 665 But I think long term is still okay I think it's still on a uptrend. Read if you know it's on downtrend. Technology, okay, everybody, as I said, right, we are waiting for here the Fed for technology. So you see US continue to rebound due to what? Not due to the whole economy is strong. Only a few stocks like Nasdaq, right? Only a few this semiconductor no, this AI related stock AI what do you call it those company, right, that related to AI those are the company, only the few company that is pushing the market up not the whole market So you see, we didn't follow as I said, we have to wait for 63 very important, because 63 will be the area where we determine whether we can follow. We will continue go up, or we got stuck here, then it will continue go down okay. Telco, we know, break below the support resistance trend line. Now retest doesn't look good. Looks like it want to come down. Transportation we got breakout, so transportation got chance to slowly go up. Okay, because it broke the channel. There is a chance. Utilities, okay, utilities looks like still want to rebound. Utilities is the strongest always the strongest for the last few weeks So looks like it still got chance to rebound Okay, look at global. Look at USD first. DXY. USD is still weak. USD still oscillating inside this channel, downtrend channel. So this DXY, this USD index, US dollar index is not strong. Still on a downtrend. If he can broke out this top here, right, then it should be quite strong. If he broke out this top, then maybe he want to do a double bottom and up, but it did not. Okay, it did not. Okay, so USD is not very weak, not very strong yet. Still not very strong. Okay, look at Aussie, Australia. Okay, Australia trying to break out, but not yet break out. So there's chance that Australia might have a rebound over here. Okay, might have a short-term rebound. Look at FTSE UK. FTSE UK also in a triangle, consolidating. Okay, not strong, not weak. It's trying to rebound but cannot. If it drop below this trend line, right, so it should be coming down already. Look at German DAX. German DAX also already dropped below this trend line, so now it's retesting this uptrend trend line. Okay, if US start to drop next week, I think this one will start to drop. What you see here, because you see price is going up, RSI is not. Okay, but we cannot tell yet because we have to wait for a reversal here. A drop here, we can call this a peak. Now we cannot simply call this a peak because it's still going up. Okay, but they have signed that it is weaker Semiconductor index. Okay, this is the one that we want to see Okay, semiconductor index. Okay, no more making RSI, no more making higher high, price making higher high, so there is a divergence. Okay, so there is a divergence. So I think short term they should be I think it will have a retracement back to the bottom here. Is it a bear market? No. We can't call this a bear market. Why? Okay. Why I won't call this a bear market? Okay, because you see, right, it is still on a uptrend. Okay, uptrend. Okay, so a drop is just a correction before it goes up again. So how are we going to see the bear? When do we see the bear market happen? Okay, when will I call a bear market that's going to happen? Okay, let's say the global recession, okay, is going to I mean the recession, right, is US might drop into recession also one by one now and Europe is still aggressively hiking increasing rate, right? And also they say there is no stopping for now okay, they still need more rate hike. Okay, so there's a possibility. How do we call recession? Means how do we call this it will turn to bear market? This semiconductor index drop below here, the channel bottom, then once it start to drop below this channel, then you have to be careful. Then the bear market might come. Still now, it's still a strong uptrend market. Same as Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq you see is on our double bottom target release. Is still going up, but now we have a channel. So it really hit the top channel and it's no longer going up. It's dropped 0.4%. semiconductor index dropped 0.9%, quite a lot, so 0.4%. So when do we call this market turn? When we call this a bear market, okay? I mean a bearish market lah. This one you can't call bear market because it's still a strong uptrend. When the price drop below the channel, when it start to move below this channel, right? Then probably that time, okay, there will be indication of the market slowdown or the AI slowdown, or slowdown, then it might turn to a bearish market. As long as staying inside this, right? As long as staying inside this, right, we are still on an uptrend channel. Means we are still on a bull market, bullish market. Okay, look at S&P. Okay, S&P similar. Okay, now it's hitting the top channel. Also, it dropped. Okay, 0.3%. I draw a channel here, so there's potential. It might drop to here. It might drop back to the bottom channel. Okay, here. Okay. If next week it continue to push above the channel, means wow, this is really flying. It means US economy is really growing crazy. But Fed is trying to control the US economy. Okay, they are going to raise high or not. A pause is good. Okay, but you see after pause, right? They talk very aggressive. They talk very hawkish. Means okay, they pause, but they don't want the market to be too strong. Okay, if market is too strong, right, everybody think, wow, free money, right? Market is still very strong, right? Easily can make money. So they are still spending, so the inflation will not come down. So they are trying to scare the market a bit, at least scare the market to a short-term drop. Don't let it fly, get out of control. Okay, you see Dow Jones. Dow Jones tried to break out head and shoulder. It did not. So it tried to break, but it did not. So this one we have to see. So Dow Jones could be at a benchmark. We use this one as a benchmark. If Dow Jones can break up above this head and shoulder, okay, means we have a target. Means that it will continue to go up, at least up to our target area. At least we got like 70% probability that this will happen. Okay, so after it break up from this head and shoulder, so we have a target. Okay, so we use this one as a benchmark. I mean a reference, sorry, not a benchmark, a reference. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, you see the diamond pattern, right? So after diamond, it continue to drop. Actually, it dropped outside the channel. Now it's testing the channel. Okay, drop outside. Now it's trying to rebound. I try to retest whether it can go through or not. 26. If it can go through, means it will follow this uptrend channel, continue up. Maybe this time it will break through 30,000, right? If it cannot, then this it will be continue downtrend. So we have to draw a trend line here, whether it can break or not. Let us draw a trend line here. Okay, this one. Okay. So if we can push through this trend line, stay above this trend line, means it's going up, continue. Despite all this Binance issue, all this. Okay. So Ethereum is the one that hurt the more. So Ethereum is here. Okay, we got channel here, right? Okay, so we want to see whether it can break above this channel or not. Okay, so it's starting to drop below this support line, 1,007. So let's see what happens. Remember our reference is Litecoin. See Litecoin nearer and nearer, coming back to what? To the neckline. The neckline of this head and shoulder. A double top is almost here. Once it break below, we know that we have a gap, a window, at least. Most likely it will drop down to here. Okay, we got maybe like 70%, right, head and shoulder, double top, right? Maybe we got 60 to 70% that it will come to here. So we start to pick once it come to this bottom, right? Okay, so SRP, SRP, you see the top channel cannot break through, right? I told you the top channel very important, so it's coming back down for now. Okay, look at commodity. Okay, so US market very important. Next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? We see Nasdaq actually can hold this high or not. Okay, whether it's starting to come down, and we see S&P, okay, whether it start to come down from this top, and we see Dow Jones, very important, whether it can go through the head and shoulder neckline or not. Okay, so let's check out commodity. Aluminium is still flat. Okay, nothing much. Steel is still going downtrend, slightly stronger, but still going downtrend. Look at steel price. Steel price is still very low. Maybe a small rebound, but still very low. Look at this industry metal, Shanghai industry metal. So it's still on a downtrend trajectory. So it's still on a downtrend trajectory. So nothing much to talk about. Let's go to the FCPO. Oh, okay. Wow, FCPO actually got a strong rebound over here, but it's still on the downtrend. Okay. FCPO is still on the downtrend, and unless they break out of this downtrend, okay, break above this downtrend, then maybe a trend change. But now it's still on downtrend. Copper looks like stronger, but it's still on this downtrend channel. So maybe we've got stuck here at 3.8 area, okay, and drop again. It looks like slightly stronger, copper. Okay, sorry, but not to say it's not an uptrend yet. It's slightly stronger, but not uptrend. Look at gold. Gold is still stuck here, 1,950 area. If it drop below, I think gold is going to go down lower. If it can rebound over at this area, rebound, then it might even go higher. Okay, we are waiting. This is the area. Now it's consolidating. We want to see which way it go. Which way it go. Okay. Silver. Okay. Silver. So silver actually having a drop. Silver, we have to wait. You see, it's making a channel. A bear flag. Okay, means okay, if this one break below, it want to come down lower. Okay, oil is just sideways between 65 and 73. I told you crude oil, 65 to 73, it's just sideways. Okay, look at US stock, Apple. You see, right? Apple is still going up, but you see, it's just too high to chase. You see how long? For how long this one has already went up? I mean this uptrend. Not we don't count this one. Count the breakup of a head and shoulder, right? Okay. We count the breakup of a head and shoulder. March until now, March 23 until now, June, so, okay, until June, yeah, let me see the breakup. Yeah, 7 March, 7 March, until now, June, so how can the market be so bullish for such a long time, right? So, we have to wait. Still going up, no doubt about it. But anytime it will start to sell. AMD, you see, starting to make lower low already. So they are short term. I think AMD will not turn to a bear market. I think it will come down to a lower point here. It still will resume the uptrend. I think it will drop to here, maybe 100, and start to go up, rebound again. I don't think because they got AI chip, all this. Amazon is still broke out, so Amazon long term is still heading up on the uptrend move. Alibaba, as I said, Alibaba with a head and shoulder here, it's very difficult for it to go up long term. Maybe go up a bit more. I think it should come back down. Not easy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Alibaba actually got chance. Yeah, head and shoulder. Actually, the line is here. Long time I didn't see this one. Actually the neckline is here. Actually, it went back up above the neckline. So it's not KO. Okay, the head and shoulder is here. I always draw this line. I saw the head and shoulder a wrong perception. Actually did not drop below. Okay, actually Alibaba's got chance. Got chance to maintain at least hold around 82 to 100. It's not KO yet. Alibaba. Okay. Google is still uptrend. All these got AI one is uptrend. Uptrend, but you see we got stuck here. I told you 122 now it's a peak. I think it will drop first before it goes up again. Grab just sideways. Intel also coming up. I told you Intel making a bottom already one here. They are very keen to make a bottom. You can see so you see now it's starting up already. Okay, so Intel long term, I think Intel got chance because they could come out with a good chip also Intel. They fallen behind, but they are not out of the game. Okay, Meta still continue up. Meta crazy but too high to chase. Microsoft crazy flying non-stop, flying up but not too late to chase already You chase this one if you chase early can you chase now it's too dangerous. Micron already dropped already because of China issue with China. So I think it might come back to the bottom channel. Come back to the bottom channel, 60 maybe. Nvidia gap up. Nvidia is still going up, but RSI no more follow higher. I think Nvidia is ready for a drop Okay, ready for a retracement not a drop, a retracement only. Tesla also, I told you very strong. Tesla once broken to the double head and shoulder is coming back to test 266 and 312 Okay, Zoom Zoom is just flat. Zoom, they are trying to make a bottom now. I can tell you, Zoom, they are trying to make a bottom. They are not letting it drop anymore below 60, 66, below 60 lah. 60 is the lowest point. Okay, they are not protecting it from dropping below 60. Visa got small rebound lah, Visa. But the bank, all this is still, they are coming out. The bank, right, US, right? They will have a stress test. Means they are going to check all the bank whether they can survive or not. Okay, so they have a certain qualification need to follow. So they are coming up with a stress test. I think quite soon. Maybe next week. And last week, this week, Jerome Powell say so they don't know the full consequences of the hike or that what they will do. The rate hike, the 5.2%. Will do with the bank. Last time he say that's why Fed say a bit careful Last time they say he believed the bank can sustain, but the previous one the last one, this week one, he say he don't know what is the full consequences. So you have to be careful Goldman Sachs also up a bit okay, but still on a sideways kind of trend but it's starting to move up starting to look a little bit more positive okay, Goldman Sachs a little bit more positive JP Morgan. Okay, JP Morgan also a little bit more positive, but got stuck at 143 Okay, Broadcom. So I added one Broadcom. Sorry is technology stock So Broadcom very strong. Okay, a break above here. Okay, looks like it's heading towards 936 Okay. So today I'll do a bit of this one day of this review for previous week one because tomorrow the video I don't want it to be too long or else I will be very very long so I do some of the stock today EPMB. Okay, baby got stuck at 90 cents so looks like it cannot go through. I told you you have to be careful don't simply chase Boosted Plantation, Goring Gao. Okay, still up Boosted is purely Goring only purely Goring. So you will go in. You got use auto profit to monitor This one it can go anywhere it can, but there is a chance that it might come back to the top channel This is here. 1 ringgit area 1 ringgit to 110 area. There's a chance it might stop there. PJ Bumi. Okay, PJ Bumi. Okay, PJ Bumi stuck already 87 cents. That's why I said I won't chase one. After one big selling here, I won't chase already one. It's coming back down already. Very fast. It's coming back down very fast. Okay. Franken. Franken 0128. Oh, big sell Franken. You see, that's why I said you need to go through 3.25. Stay above 3.25 better. Now it's a big sell down. So you see market US is a lot of manipulation. Malaysia didn't follow, so our institution did not follow. Okay. MCE. Okay, MC continue so MC after breakout, okay, MC got chance to go to here 3.28 potential. Hume industry. Okay, Hume breakout this flat pattern. I think it's got chance to go to 1.7. Stop loss at 1.24. Inari. Okay, Inari got stuck at 2.8 already. Whether long term it can continue to go, there's still chance where there's no divergence, maybe a retracement, it can go again. So you have to watch 2.57. Okay, hopefully it don't drop below 2.57, which is this downtrend channel. It don't drop back inside this down channel. Okay, if it drop back inside this downtrend channel, then it's bad. Okay, it should retrace a bit, then it should rebound at 2.57, means it can continue. Or else it might not be able to continue. Red tone. Okay, or let's starting to start already here. Wait and see lah. This one for me I won't change too high. APB. Okay, APB news already come out already lah. I think it's why very difficult for it to go up already. Because news already come out. Normally they don't boring anymore lah. Because it's purely news, right? It's not like their company is making so much profit, every year, every year, every quarter, improve 10%, profit, all these are continuous profit, increased performance, means the company performing better, more and more value lah. The company become more and more valuable, right? Because we calculate the company value, right? Value the company using, we calculate their profit, how cost, all these things lah. So how much money, how much how much dividend, how much dividend, how much ROI lah that this company can generate for the shareholder, right? So the more they can generate, of course, the more. So the stock will, even any news come out, they will still continue up lah, because this one is purely goring news only. So after news come out, you have to be careful lah. ATEC. Okay, ATEC on the downtrend, nothing much to talk about. MSM, let's look at MSM. Okay, MSM slowly going up lah, but I think MSM cannot go very far like that. I think maybe it can go a bit higher, 1.08 like that lah. Maybe doesn't look like it. No more volume, no more momentum, no more big candle to push it up lah. For now, I think it's just slow down lah. Don't have to continue the big volume. Dayang, okay, Dayang is still on a downtrend lah. Suncon. Suncon, okay, still got a chance to rebound bottom channel. Wait and see. You got mother and son here. Okay, if we break above the mother and son next week, it should got chance to continue go up. If break below the leg, then finish. It will drop again. Sapura got tons of problem lah. These are who also give red flag already. Ernst and Young, so you have to not red flag lah. They highlight something lah. Highlight something which is not good lah. Sapura. You go and read, not good lah. So you don't expect it to rebound anytime soon. AX. AX, I think it's going to come back. It already hit our target, so I think it's coming back down. UNW. UNW, I think sideways already. Our bank already reduced their target already, so I think it's sideways. Gamuda maybe got one more wave up lah, but up, want to chase on it, up to you lah. Maybe still got one more wave up towards this area lah. 4.95, 4.88. Wait and see lah. Okay. If you can stay above 4.29 lah, then you got chance. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Remember, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye bye.